conclusion.
So I'm going to be reviewing the periodic table of elements here. So I just want to open it up real fast. Oops, periodic table right there. The images, open this up real fast. Humans. So basically this is the periodic table. Just want to explain it to you, all the different groups. This is the alkaline metals. These are the alkaline earth metals. These are your transition elements. These are the boron group, carbon group, nitrogen group, oxygen group, and then these are the halogens, and then these are noble gases. So basically, yeah, and then all these are families, and these all going across are periods. So here I'm going to be reviewing the periodic table of elements. So here would be 1s1. Period 1, it has 1 electron and it's in the s block. Here would be 2 or 1s2. It has still in period 1. There's 2 electrons and it's in the s block. Now here would be 2s1, period 2. Obviously, and still in the s block. And then here'd be 2s2. Now over here is the p block, still followed by the same rules. 2p1, 2p2, 2p3, 2p4, 2p5, 2p6. And down here would be the third. So it'll be 3s1, 3s2. And it'd be 3p1, 3p2, 3p3, 3p4, 3p5, 3p6. And over here down to the fourth. It gets a little tricky here. So 4 would be 4s1, 4s2, followed by the same rules, and then you get to the D block. These guys are tricky. So it would be 3d1. This does a drop down to the third period. It would be 3d1, 3d2, 3d3, 3d4, 3d5, 3d6, 3d7, 3d8, 3d9, 3d10. Then it goes back to the fourth period. So it would be 4p1, 4p2, 4p3, 4p4, 4p5, 4p6. Then in the fifth period, followed by the same rule. 5p or 5s1, 5s2. Then it'd be 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40, 10. Then it would go back to 5. So it'd be 5p1, 5p2, 5p3, 5p4, 5p5, 5p6. Then it gets to the sixth period, and this is a little tricky. So obviously it would be 6s1, 6s2. Then it gets down to the F block. Now this is the F block. These two elements right here fill in for these places in the D block. The F block, interesting fact about it, it does a double drop down. So this first column would not be in the 6th, it wouldn't be in the 5th, it'd be in the 4th period. So how it goes, it would be 6s1, 6s2. Then it would be 4f1, 4f2, 4f3, 4f4, 4f5, 4f6, 4f7, 4f8, 4f9, 4f10, 4f11, 4f12, 4f13, 4f14. Then it would go to the D block. This would be 5d1, 5d2, 5d3, 5d4, 5d5, 5d6, 5d7, 5d8, 5d9, 5d10. Then we'll go back to the P block. So it'd be 6p1, 6p2, 6p3, 6p4, 6p5, 6p6. The same thing applies for this, for the 7th period. It'd be 7s1, 7s2. And it gets back to the P block, or the F block, my bad. It'd be 5f1, 5f2, 5f3, 5f4, 5f5, 5f6, 5f7, 5f8, 5f9, 5f10, 5f11, 5f12, 5f13, 5f14. Then it gets back to the D block. This is D. So it'd be 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 60, 10. Then it would go back to the P block. So it would be 7p1, 7p2, 7p3, 7p4, 7p5, and 7p6. Okay, so the thing we just covered was very tedious and can get very lengthy at some times. So there is a way to abbreviate it, luckily. So let's just say you wanted to abbreviate silicon, for instance. So what you want to do is you want to take one of these noble gases, and this part can be only used with noble gases. Only noble gases, none of the other elements. Noble gases. Okay? So So you want to take silicon, right? You go all the way to noble gases, and then you go up 1. And neon is the one right here. What you want to do is you want to do the same thing we did last time, except starting at neon, not starting at hydrogen. We go neon, so then we go drop down here. So it'll be 3s2, and then it would be 3p1, 2, and then that's silicon. And you're probably wondering, well, Sammy, how do we write this? Well, really simple. All we have to do is write neon. Oops, it's right there. Is we would write neon bracketed, and then we write 3s2 and then 3p2 as shown here. Now you could do this for any of the elements on the periodic table. Let's do silver, for example, right here. So again, we go across, we go up 1. Krypton is our lucky number, or not lucky element, or noble gas. So krypton, we write Kr in the brackets, and we get krypton, and then we go down. We go, 5s2, be 5s2, and then we do our 4d10, right? Oh, whoops, that went too far. That came over here. I want to get to silver, so it should be 9 because it's 5 silvers in this row. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's silver. So this is how you write silver. Now this can be used for any of the elements. All you have to do is use a noble gas, only noble gases. Then you'd do the same thing we did previously. This is really easy. It works all the time. Well, it kind of has to work. But that's kind of it for my preview or little thing on the periodic table elements. There's not really much else you can know right now. I mean, you have metals, and you have non-metals, and then along this zigzag line right here, you have metalloids. Let's see if I can pull up another one with the actual line on it. Here we go. All these right here, I'm sorry, it's really bad quality. Oh, there it goes. That's very nice right there. All these right here are metalloids, and if you draw a line, kind of a zigzag line, all the elements that are touching it, except for aluminum, would be metalloid. Also, these are known as semi-metals. So that is it for my little video, just in case you forget anything.
So many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?